What's up, everyone? Once again, deciding to do this video a day early because, much like a lot of people right now, not a lot to do. There are still a couple of things open, but you know what? It's really just better to stay home, other than going to work, obviously. Probably a lot of people quarantined, so why not a little entertainment? I'm even going to try and have a bonus with this video. This is Road to WrestleMania, or it's actually just WrestleMania now, but we're used to it being Road to WrestleMania. This is hobby box number 2. Got this one online, I believe from Blowout Cards. And I actually bought 2 boxes and another box that I'll kind of leave as a surprise. And I still have a box of 2019 to open, so definitely good for a few weeks. Oh my God. Well, no way to hide that. We got our autograph in the first pack, and it's Asuka to 99. I mean, how many times do you see that? First pack. I hope we got 2 autos in here or a good relic, because this is going to be anticlimactic to say the least. Foil cards, not even going to keep those separate anymore since they're basically the new bronze. Oh, we got our number card. AOP defeats the Bar, 6 of 99. Well, these hits are coming quick. But we still got a relic. But as I was saying, gonna try and get a bonus in here. The reason I'm saying try is it's kind of big, what I'm thinking of, and it's just basically getting it as part of the video. You know, make sure that you guys can see the whole thing. Got to start counting these. I know I'm going over the same cards a couple of times. Oh, I guess the other thing is the shows over the week. Obviously, AEW did a great job, if you saw that. But it'd be nice to expect that every week under the circumstances, but I heard they broke a few rules under the current conditions to get that done, so may not be able to get a show like that every week. I know there's some criticism of WWE, but again, with restrictions in place, I think they're doing the best they can, and it's nice that somebody's still doing something. We still have something to look forward to as wrestling fans, even though it's, not quite what we're used to. Oh, I'm starting to see the bottom of the box here. Our winningest superstars. Of course, you got 24 wins for The Undertaker. He's going to be in the winningest superstars. Looks like we got about, well, this will be, including this one, it will be 7 packs before the end of the box. But 7 packs left to open. Now it's 6. So we're still looking for the relic. And once again, I forgot what the top card was. Oh, maybe less than I thought. Got 4 packs right now left in the box. All right, final 3 packs. Still waiting for that relic. They gave us the auto early on. And there's our relic. Aleister Black worn shirt relic. $2.99. Not bad. So let's just get through our last 2 packs. Yeah, here's your chance to win 2 tickets. I've heard it's basically the same code on every card, so it's nothing special there. All right, that's it. So let's see. I was going to do my thanks for watching, but let's see if we can get this bonus in. All right, and there it is. So I was able to get this. This is an actual used late 80s WWF, not WWE, but WWF cover, table cover, announcer table cover. And it's just over my desk if you're curious about that. But yeah, just picked this up from High Spots. They had a huge sale, so really cool piece to add. Now I'll say it. As always, thanks for watching. Keep checking back. Take care.